Allstate Phone Protection Plan features strengths, weaknesses. This plan offers coverage for mechanical and electrical failures, accidental damage from handling, including drops, spills, and cracked screens, and covers malfunctions after the manufacturer's warranty expires. Allstate's plan differs from traditional insurance by offering faster claim processing and focusing solely on electronic devices. It's ideally suited for individuals prone to accidents, those with expensive devices lacking robust warranties, or anyone desiring peace of mind against unexpected repair costs. A primary strength is its comprehensive coverage, encompassing both mechanical issues and accidental damage, unlike some plans limited to specific damage types. Allstate also offers various deductible options, allowing consumers to customize their premiums based on risk tolerance. The plans often include options to repair or replace your device. If your device can't be repaired, you may receive a replacement of like kind and quality. A major weakness is the deductible itself. Even with coverage, you'll still pay a fee for repairs or replacements, which can range from $29 to $149, depending on the device and selected plan. Another downside is the waiting period. Coverage typically doesn't begin immediately upon enrollment, often requiring a 30-day wait. Furthermore, unauthorized repairs void the warranty, so you're locked into using Allstate's designated repair network. Availability can also be limited based on the device and where you purchased it. Compared to alternatives like manufacturer extended warranties, carrier insurance, or simply self-insuring, Allstate's phone protection plans offer a balance of cost and coverage. Manufacturer warranties typically offer the best protection for defects, while carrier insurance often bundles phone protection with other services. Self-insuring, where you save money to cover potential repair costs yourself, is the cheapest option if your device doesn't break. However, if you need a quick replacement or can't afford a costly repair upfront, Allstate's plan can be a safety net. Before committing, compare deductible options, coverage start dates, and the fine print regarding covered incidents. Ultimately, Allstate phone protection plans provide valuable coverage for those who want broad protection and are willing to pay a monthly premium plus a deductible. The decision hinges on your risk tolerance, device value, and financial situation. Consider the cost of the plan relative to the potential repair costs of your device, and weigh that against the convenience and peace of mind offered by Allstate's protection. Carefully review the terms and conditions to ensure it aligns with your needs and expectations before enrolling.